Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this new video on Ethereum. I wanted to make an update here on Ethereum for several reasons. With reason number one being Ethereum actually outperforming Bitcoin again. And it's been a while since it's been able to do that. And we also saw some Ethereum coins like Optimism, Arbitrum, and what is it, Athena or something, doing relatively well. Pendle, excuse me. Pendle has been very, very bullish and broke out overnight. But we've seen that strength, so that's why I wanted to do an update here, kind of talking about what to expect and is this real, all right? Can we actually expect this bullish momentum we've seen right here? And here you can see Ethereum against Bitcoin, and if you zoom out, this has been in a downtrend for a very, very long period of time, and we have seen some sort of bounce here and there, right? So for example, the 28th of July, we had a strong bounce, and we've seen bounces like that before. But we've never been able to break this bigger downtrend. And if we are able to break this bigger downtrend right now, which technically we have already done that, then that's major, all right? Because then this could be the start of a period of time where Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, which has historically also been better for altcoins. So that's what I wanted to talk about, and that's what we will talk about. So let's get right into it. Now, what's obviously very important to Ethereum right now, or at least it's getting a little bit more important now, I would say, is the ETF inflows. And the ETF inflows at the moment are nothing to really be happy about. And when you look at last week, it's still net outflows. And the days we do get inflows, it's like in total $8 million or something. Which is not a lot of money, especially not if you take that 8 million on the daily volume of Ethereum, which is almost $11 billion, right? So that's not that interesting yet, but it is interesting to see that Ethereum can still get that outperformance, which we have seen over the last couple of days, even when the ETF inflows are bad. Because then if the ETF inflows get good and we actually don't see those grayscale outflows anymore and we can actually see some solid inflows coming in, that could be the start of some sort of a bull run for Ethereum. Now, that's all speculation for now, of course, because the inflows are still bad, but still. All right, so over the next 24 hours, for me, the absolute most crucial thing is, will Ethereum against Bitcoin, right? So that's right now at around 4 cents, or you cannot call it cents, but still, will we be able to hold this breakout, all right? Will we be able to actually not only hold this breakout, but also get some sort of a retest and some sort of a continuation here? Because if that's the case, look, if you take a look at the technicals for Ethereum here, it's quite similar to Bitcoin, as in that on the daily time frame, this is still a very early uptrend or still a consolidation. On the 4-hour time frame, I do think Ethereum has started a solid uptrend here, and I do also expect this to hold. All right, regardless of what Ethereum against Bitcoin does, what I expect here is that yes, I do expect some sort of a pullback from the current levels, maybe a bit higher, towards 2670. But we have major support here between 2550 and 2500, and then we can even spike down all the way to 2425, and that whole area is basically filled with support. So do I expect some sort of a pullback? Yes, but after that pullback, I do think we'll hold support, and I do think we're heading for this main price target here around 2750 and 2800. So regardless of what Ethereum against Bitcoin does, I do still think this is most likely. I think we have solidified some sort of an uptrend here, and I do expect that to continue. Now, the big question is, can we actually break above this level right here around 2870 and 2900? And that's only possible if we actually see a rally from Ethereum against Bitcoin. All right, so therefore you should keep an eye on that. Short term, I would be bullish on Ethereum either way, but if we can see some sort of strong performance from that, then we can do something like this, right? So then we'll find resistance at 2800, retest 2650, and we can actually rally into the 3000s again. But I'll keep you updated on that as well. If you're interested in that, let me know. For now, short term, like I said, regardless of anything, I expect this. If we see a strong Ethereum against Bitcoin, this will be accelerated, and we will do something like this probably, or something like this. But either way, this is still the most likely scenario in my opinion. And then if we see some outperformance, that means we can rally up higher and more quick. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. I'll see you all in my next videos. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Take care and bye.